Hello everyone, to one and all who is watching this video, I am Huzundar. I am going to explain lens maker formula, which is an important formula in lesson optics. So let's start with the formula. Here we have taken the thin lens which have two refracting surface. The object is keep at the refracting surface 1 and its final image is formed as I dash, and I dash work as the object for the refracting surface 2 and its final image is I. We know that when refraction occurs, light travels from rarer to denser medium, but here light is traveling from the denser to rarer medium. So I'm going to explain now its derivation. First, we understand every symbol and its meaning. V is the image distance, U is the object distance, R1 is the radius of curvature of surface 1 and R2 is the radius of curvature of surface 2. Mu1 and mu2 are the refractive index of surface 1 and 2 respectively. F is the focal length. We know that lens formula is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. From this we have the derived formula for the surface 1 and surface 2 respectively. Let's see for the surface 1. N2 minus upon V1 minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1. For second surface, N1 upon V minus N2 upon V1, N1 minus N2 upon R2. By comparing the equation, we have get this equation when we have keep the U at infinity, then V is at A and V is equal to F. We have derived the lens maker formula. As we know that lens formula is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So we can say that 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus R2. As mu2 and mu1 are refractive index, so we have taken this mu directly. Thank you for listening this.